Namaskar, friends. You all are welcome to our channel Spiritual Aman. Today we will talk about the story of a person who understood one aspect of his life and showed a new path of improvement. The story of Gautam Buddha. Let's see how his story can help everyone in making themselves great. Introduction of Siddhartha. Gautam. Siddhartha Gautam, who later became Gautam Buddha, was a prince. His life was full of luxuries and happiness, but he left it all and tried to understand the real meaning of life, the face of sorrow and the root of life. Siddhartha saw that there is sorrow and suffering in the world, birth, illness, old age, and death. He wondered how this suffering could end. Sannyas and meditation. Siddhartha renounced the life of his king Maharaja and took up asceticism. He performed great penance and tried to understand his suffering through meditation and knowledge. Awakening under the Bodhi tree. Buddha contemplated while sitting under the Bodhi tree, and from his experience, he understood that there is a spiritual path to get freedom from suffering, Ashtangik Marg, Eightfold Path, which includes right vision, right thought, right behavior, right enterprise, right behavior, right meditation, and right intention are included. Make yourself became great. The story of Gautam Buddha teaches us to make ourselves great. Swadhyaya, self-reflection. Try to understand yourself and identify your talents and strengths. Seeing the right path. Aligning your goals and the basic purpose of life will make you happy. Help and non-violence. Help others and follow non-violence. Meditation and self-confidence. Make your thoughts positive and constructive. Concentrate and have faith in yourself. The story of Gautam Buddha is an inspiration of how a person can improve his life and make himself great. By adopting his teachings and path in our life, we too can become a good and great person. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.